Hey everybody, here's another PSSA Math review. Today we're going to be reviewing area and perimeter. Some basic things to remember: the area of a rectangle is going to be the length times the width, or the width times the length, however you prefer. And the area or the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, or 2L plus 2W. Now we're going to incorporate the area and the perimeter formulas in an example problem. So here's our problem. A thin wire is formed into a rectangle with an area of 36 centimeters squared. If it is reshaped so that the 12 centimeter side is 4 centimeters shorter, how will the area of the rectangle change? So the first thing that we need to figure out is the length of our other side. Now, if we set up the area, we are given the area is 36 centimeters, and area is equal to length times width. So 36 centimeters squared is going to equal 12 times W. Solving for W, we would divide both sides by 12, and we get W is equal to 3. So our unknown side is now 3 centimeters. What we need to do now is figure out the perimeter of the whole rectangle. So our perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. We now know our length and our width, so our perimeter is going to equal 2 times 12 plus 2 times 3. So we get our perimeter is now equal to 30 centimeters. With this, we can now figure out the rest of the problem. They tell us that the 12 centimeter side is now 4 centimeters shorter. So we are subtracting 4 centimeters from this side. So our new side is going to be 8 centimeters. We must maintain the same perimeter, so we need to solve for the other side. So our perimeter is still going to equal 2L plus 2W. So our perimeter, which we just found out, is 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters is going to equal 2 times L, which we just determined was 8, plus 2 times our new width. Solving for W, we would first subtract 16 over, so we would get 14 is equal to 2W, and then divide both sides by 2, getting W is equal to 7 centimeters. So now that we know the new length and width of our rectangle, we can create a new rectangle with a length of 8 and a width of 7. Area is going to be length times width, and our area is going to equal then 8 times 7. So the area of the new rectangle would be 56 centimeters squared. Okay, so a quick overview of today's lesson. Remember that the area formula is going to be length times width, and your perimeter formula is 2 times the length times 2 plus the width. Oops. Can I redo that? Yeah. Sorry. Messed up my formula.
Right. I'll keep rolling. Go.
Okay. So an overview of today. Remember that your area formula is area is equal to length times width, and your perimeter formula is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So good luck on the PSSAs, everybody.